Hi, I'm Miss T's Ideas, and I want to come to you with some color pages that I finished for last month, um, April 25, and I'm trying my hand at coloring. I find it so relaxing, and the things that I color, I'm just put in my junk journal, in my journals. Um, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Um, if it's your first time being here, welcome to my channel. If you've been here a little while, thank you so much for your support. Thank you very much for your support. And hey, if you like what you see, y'all like and subscribe. I appreciate it. It's good for the algorithm. And here I go. I'm gonna show the pictures I've colored for April 25, and we're in May now, so I'm gonna start another series. This is just a simple coloring book. I haven't went to the pricey ones yet. This is a simple coloring book. It's Advanced Coloring Butterflies. I think I got it from the dollar store. And let me tell you, I color, but my eyes is a little bad, yo. But hopefully this coloring will strengthen my whatever needs to be strengthened. Butterfly in a vase. I like that. I color a lot at night before I go to bed because I have insomnia, and it tends to help. It tends to relax me. And I date my pages. This was one of the pages that I finished. This is another one of the pages I finished. I have markers, and I have pencil colors. That's what I've been coloring with. I have the ink pens. Nothing special about them yet either. I'm just incorporating art and coloring into my journals, and just trying to stay in the lines. But like I said, I tend to do it at night. I color at night. I suffer from insomnia, and this relaxes me. Before I know it, I'm asleep. I start coloring. It relaxes me. I don't know what it would do for anyone else, but I suffer with insomnia, and coloring at night relaxes me. Today I'm making pockets for my junk journals. I'm making pockets. I got my sewing machine out, and today I'm going to do a lot of things. I plan on it anyway. Right now I'm still drinking my coffee. I'm interested in doodling, y'all. What do you call it? Doodle? Fodle? I'm interested in drawing. And I drew a few things on some book pages. I did this, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago. I just draw some simple things. Very simple things, because I'm trying to learn how to doodle. I painted this, and like I said, I tend to paint at night because it helps me sleep. It relaxes me because I suffer with insomnia bad. I use melatonin spray. I suffer with insomnia bad. While the world is sleeping, I be up. I colored that. And my hands are getting a little comfortable, more comfortable with it. When I first started, and I hadn't too long started. When I first started, look at my hands was like kind of shy. And then after a while, my hands started kind of moving around. Yeah, I think I was worried about getting it too perfect or whatever. And now I see, and I didn't know that was a thing. My hands are getting looser to it, like it is what it is, like, and it makes me more comfortable and relaxed. That's my 4th page. I did, how many pages is that? I did 1, 2, 3. This is my 4th page. And I got another coloring book that I done. I colored in. I also have a coloring book that I found from one of the stores. What store was that? Am I at the dollar store? I'm new at it. I'm not buying fancy, expensive books like they got now, but I'm interested in them though. I'm very interested in the more advanced books. Okay, now that I'm not, but I need to be right here to get warmed up at it. I need to be here, just simple and cheap right now. To get used to coloring. I also got a little paint. I kind of dabbled with that a little bit, but nothing major. Just let the paint fall on it where it go. Okay, that's I painted this, and you know, since I've been painting, since I've been coloring, adult coloring, I forgot my train of thought. No, but I've been enjoying it. I really have. It's a relaxant. Oh, I know what I wanted to say. I started on this one. I have a, this is the 5th one. This is started on. I have a coloring book that's a Coca-Cola coloring book. I didn't know they had such a thing. And it's thicker than the rest. I don't know. Advanced coloring book. Yep, that came from the dollar store. But it got 40 pages and it's a Coca-Cola one. I've never seen this before. And I haven't colored in it because I want to be exact when I start coloring in the Coca-Cola one to make the bottles the colors they're supposed to be and stuff. I've never seen anything like this. Of course, like they say, I'm new to this. But it's very, very relaxing. Yeah, I had never seen anything like this. I'm kind of intimidated by it, really. You know, because Coke is a certain color. I be thinking about the colors of it and whatever. I don't want to go off the forbidden path. I don't know. Oh, I got the smiley faces. Now you see, this is some stuff that I can put in my journal. I like writings. I didn't look through this like this. Have a Coke and a smile. Enjoy Coca-Cola. I didn't know they had a coloring book like this. Certainly not in the dollar store. I didn't see many. I don't know if this is some kind of limited thing. I don't know, but it's nice. Buy someone you love a Coke. Add life to everything nice. Coke add life to everything nice. It's the real thing. All of the little things. Coke adds life. Having fun. Buy someone a Coke you love. Okay. Anyway, I like to buy the world. Okay, I like to buy the world a home and furnish it with love. Let's see if I'm in this. Grow apple trees and honeybees and snow white turtle doves. I'd like to teach the world to sing in perfect harmony. Now I know this verse. I'd like to buy the world a Coke and keep it company. That's the real thing. What the world wants today is the real thing. In anything, we want the real thing. In any part of life, we would like to know the real thing. That's a good statement. The real thing is, being real, a little transparent is a good thing. Have a coconut smile. I didn't know they had on this. Things go better with Coke. Okay, this is not on the beaded trail. I done veered off because I didn't know this book had this. Okay, Coca-Cola. Look, tasty. Six-pack. I got this from the dollar store. I gotta go find a can of Coke or a bottle of Coke and see what color it is. I know it's red. I know the Coke is brown, but I get the feeling this Coke gonna be all colors. Refresh yourself. I'm just. I didn't mean to look through this one, but trademark registered. But I like it. I mean, I could cut this out. I can fussy cut this out and put it in a journal. I could put make pictures on here and stuff. I can make stuff. I can create something with this. But my junk journal. After the game, pause for Coke. Okay. Coca-Cola 5 cents. Who remember that? I don't. I remember you can bring the bottles back for 5 cents. If you bring the bottles back, you can get 5 cents. That's what I remember. I born in the 60s. You can return the bottles. That was back in the day. Okay, this is it. Okay, well, y'all look through it with me because this is my first time looking through it like that. I looked on the first couple of pages, but not like that. Okay, let me put this up and finish my coloring sheets. I think I just got one more. I started on this one. And then I colored this one. So I did and I have about maybe two in another coloring book that I don't have on me right now. And I did about 7 pages in a month's time. And I started at the end of the month. So I didn't have but a few days in that month. And I actually did at least 7 pages in a few days. Now, will it happen all the time? No, because I do a lot of things at one time. My sewing machine is here. My sewing machine is this way. My computer that way. My camera this way. My supplies is around me. So what I'm doing today is I'm making a junk journal, and I'm sewing the binding. I made the binding with tape, and what I'm doing is sewing some fabric on it. Well, that's all I have for today. And this is Miss T Ideas. And thank you for being here with me. And if you stayed to the end, thank you. Like, share, and subscribe, please. I'd appreciate it. I love y'all so much. Been hanging out with me. And I'll see you next time on the next video.